Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character dōng step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then follow in word and a sentence. Now, let's write. dōng. East or host. 东家 as Chinese surname 东 For example, 股东 股东 shareholder Here is a sentence. Half of the people in this place were shareholders in his company. Half of the people. In this place were shareholders. In his company.这里一半的人都是他公司的股东。这里一半的人都是他公司的股东。这里一半的人 half of the people in this place. 一半的人都是他公司的股东。Half of the people in this place were shareholders in his company. 这里一半的人都是他公司的股东。dōng in cursive. dōng, East, host or Chinese surname 东。股东 shareholder. Half of the people in this place were shareholders in his company. 这里一半的人都是他公司的股东。东 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 东. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.